Today I will be sharing with you one simple tip that should allow your AC system to blow cooler as part of a maintenance program. And good thing about this tip is that it doesn't require you to spend any money, nor does it require you to go inside of the vehicle. Now your AC system is comprised of a condenser which is found in front of the radiator. Now as the years go by driving on the road, roads are filled with debris and all of these materials from time to time can get lodged in front of the condenser. Now the condenser is a heat exchanger, meaning that hot air is removed from within the cabin of the vehicle and the condenser is responsible for putting this heat into the external environment. So what does that mean? If the condenser becomes blocked with debris, its heat exchange efficiency will be greatly impacted upon and reduced, as air will not be able to flow through the fins of the condenser and therefore will affect its ability to cool the system efficiently. Now, how can you get your system to work more efficiently? All you need is a garden hose, perhaps with a spray nozzle, and you're going to simply spray the entire section of the condenser to remove any debris, dirt particles, anything that might be lodged between the fins of the condenser. So once that is clear and free of debris, the air will be able to pass through freely and the efficiency of the condenser will work optimally. So this is a very simple tip, no money required. All you need is a garden hose with a nozzle and water. Flush the condenser and that will remove debris, allow the air to flow through freely and cause your AC system to work efficiently. As always, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.